Good day, everyone. This is my performance styles in English. Please do listen to my persuasive essay about how the sounds of English help each one of us to speak right. Sounds of English. This sounds of English is very important in helping each one of us to speak right and communicate effectively. It is an essential component of effective communication. Mastering these sounds is not just about pronunciation. It is about unlocking a world of clear and confident communication. By understanding and applying the complexity of these sounds, we can enhance our communication abilities, build confidence, and establish a strong connection with others. When we speak, these sounds of English serve as the foundation upon which our words are built. Each sound has its own unique characteristics, and learning to produce them accurately that allows us to convey our thoughts and ideas with appropriateness. Proper pronunciation ensures that our words are understood correctly, preventing misunderstandings and misinterpretations. It enables us to express ourselves confidently as we can articulate our thoughts with clarity. By mastering the sounds of English, it will enable us to engage in meaningful conversations, deliver impactful presentations, and leave a lasting impression. Furthermore, mastering the sounds of English empowers us to connect with others on a deeper level. Accurate pronunciation and clear articulation facilitate better understanding and comprehension regardless of the listener's native language. When we speak right, we demonstrate respect for others and their language, creating an environment of mutual understanding and appreciation. By mastering the sounds of English, we not only enhance our own communication skills but also foster inclusivity, break down communication barriers, and promote cultural understanding. By embracing the sounds of English, we show our willingness to connect with people from different cultures and backgrounds, fostering meaningful relationships and promoting global understanding. The sounds of English is important in building confidence and self-assurance. When we can pronounce words accurately and articulate them clearly, we feel more assured in our ability to express ourselves. This confidence translates into our verbal expression, allowing us to speak with conviction and authority. It empowers us to engage in conversations, deliver presentations, and participate in discussions with poise and self-assurance. By mastering the sounds of English, we are not only enhancing our communication skills, but also boost our confidence, enabling us to navigate various personal and professional situations with ease. Clear and accurate pronunciation ensures that our words are understood correctly, while clear articulation allows to express ourselves with precision and conviction. I hope I encourage you guys to speak English right. Thank you.